So hello people and welcome back. Today I'm back with another unboxing video for all the viewers of my channel. Today we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M30. I got it for all my subscribers on the last flash sale that took place on Amazon on 7th March. Some of my viewers suggested to do some tests which they would like to see in this unboxing video and review part. The tests are the tests of the front and rear camera, the performance test, the camera, how it is actually working, the triple camera, and then we have the tests for the speaker quality, the mic quality, the video recording quality. All that would be covered in this video. Do we have a drop test? What, seriously? Okay, 1000 feet drop test. Does it include in our budget? Oh, I'm sorry, somebody suggested a 1000 feet drop test. Whoever suggested it, I would tell that the phone would be crushed down into pieces. Currently, we cannot afford that test. So, let's begin this video. This is Ashish Kamati with my brother Yash with the camera. You're watching Technical Minutes, so let's get started. So this is the model which got delivered today from Amazon exclusive, that is the Samsung Galaxy M30. I ordered it on the 7th March flash sale and it got delivered today. Actually it had come in a very poor packaging, so I thought of removing it and keeping the piece apart. Okay, now let's speak about the phone. The model which I got now is the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage model. You have another option for this, that is 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. That you get it around for 17,990, and this model is available for sale for 14,990. This color is the gradation blue color which I have got it. The point is that this phone has a huge demand in Indian market. On its first flash sale itself, the entire stock got sold out within seconds from the start of the sale. I hardly managed to get this model for you to be unboxed here on our channel. So let's move with the unboxing part. Let's take this all out. Okay, now as you can see here on the box, it's written the Infinity U display triple rear camera. That is the exact speciality of this phone, why this phone is well known. And you have 5000 mAh battery, as you can see over here. This phone comes with 13 megapixel rear camera plus 5 megapixel plus 5 megapixel ultra wide camera. The 5 megapixel camera used for the live focus, and then you have 16 megapixel front camera. It comes with around 1.8 gigahertz Samsung Equinox processor, that is 7904. Okay, did I learn all this? Obviously not, it's written on the box. The MRP, as you can read here on the box, it seems to be higher than what I got it actually for. Probably the prices might go high, or since it's the introductory price I got it for. Now let's look after the unit. Okay, how does this open? Yeah, okay, I just slide it out. Sure. So I think this is some basic paperwork within it. Okay, this is the quick start guide. Okay, what do you get more within it? The warranty card, and yeah, the regional log guide. This is the unit, as you can see over here. Let's keep this apart for some time. We'll come back to it later. Yeah, and this is the important part of this. You can see here, this is the USB Type-C charging cable for the faster charging, and then this is the adapter, that is the fast charging adapter provided by Samsung. Let's see how fast does this phone can get charged. At the end of the video I'll provide you with all you need to know before buying this phone, like how much time does it get to charge up, what is its performance, how does the camera work, so far and so forth. So now this is a very important thing, that is the SIM card ejecting tip. Let's come back to the model. Okay, let's get this sticker removed out. The model which I got is this gradation blue. So let's peel off the sticker. Okay, this phone really has a quite rich look, as you can see over here. Here is the volume rockers, power, volume up and volume down, and here is the power button. Here is our front camera, and here you have the triple rear camera, the camera for which we have been admiring in this phone. And the reason why most of us are buying is there's a triple rear camera. Here's the fingerprint scanner and the Samsung branding. So let's see if this phone has some power within it. Let's turn it on. Okay, so this got turned on right now. Here you have this SIM card ejection place from where you insert the SIM card. I'll try to remove this tray outside so that you get a clear idea. So this is where you place in the SD card. The most profitable thing of this phone is like it comes with around 64 GB of storage in its basic form, and you also have a 128 GB option, whereas you can always opt for buying or setting in a 512 GB of SD card to its expandable memory. So let's set up this phone. Yep. So this is how the phone actually looks. It's really pretty cool, the apps and all. It is really easy for one-handed display, as you can see over here. You can easily control the phone one-handedly. The apps and all setup is really good. I really like the UI as part of it. And then let's see about the settings. Okay, once you pull it down, you can actually, do a lot of stuff. It's not that you have to go, you just pull it down and you get more settings in. Here is your USB Type-C charger, your 3.5mm jack, and here's your speaker. So that's it for the unboxing part. I'll be speaking about everything that you should be knowing more about this phone, like how is this performance, like how's the camera, and I'll obviously share some shots with all of you regarding that I've picked up from this camera. I hope this should help you. So keep watching the videos to get the further review. Video that is recorded from the front camera of this phone. As you can see, it's quite clear. It actually adjusts properly according to the lightings of the room. You can also check at the mic how this actually records this sound. I personally like the video quality of the front camera. So everyone has their own opinion. You can check it out. So that's it for this video. I have been using this phone for some time, and I have realized that it actually does not lag. Whatever you might do, you can freely play all your games, like those heavy games like PUBG, Modern Combat. Although I'm not too much into gaming, but this strong processor could actually tolerate everything that you can do out of the limits with this phone. It does not lag with its performance. The photographs that you can click are really rapid. You can click them quite easily, and at ease you can click some really stunning photographs. As you can see, I had provided some examples which I clicked from this phone. Now I would suggest that if you're buying this phone, opt for the 128 GB variant, wherein you get 6 GB RAM, because it's really a fair deal if you can pay a little, a couple of thousands more to get a better phone in the same price range. Overall, Samsung has done a really great work to provide this budget smartphone with 5000 mAh battery, which longs, and you can do a lot of stuff with it. It has enough power to charge it throughout the day. They say that they have 25 hours of video playback time, 103 hours of music, and talk time. So this is what the information is provided by Samsung. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this to all your people, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe my channel and